Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel RJ Crafts. I am RJ, you are watching RJ Crafts. Today I'm gonna show you really Toronto stitches. It's really easy. I'm gonna make small pattern. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. So I made odd number yarn over 1 2 3 4 fifth. I'm gonna make half crochet in the fifth. Okay, like this. Chain 1, yarn over, skip 1, then make half crochet again. Chain 1, skip 1, make half crochet again. Chain 1, skip 1, make half crochet again. Chain 1, skip 1, so half crochet, chain 1, skip 1, make half crochet, chain 1, skip 1, make half crochet. So make chain 1. I have 2 stitch now. I'm gonna skip 1 and last one make half crochet. So it's like this. Chain 3, turn, yarn over. I'm gonna make in the gap. I'm going to in the gap. Now I'm not gonna yarn over, just go through like this. I have 4 loops on the hook. I'm gonna take off 3, then I have 2, then close them, then chain 1, yarn over. I'm gonna make there again, then go to straight, take off 3 loops, then close 2 loops, make chain 1, yarn over, again go through there, then go straight there, then take 3 loop off, then 2 loops, chain 1, yarn over, 4 loops, take 3 loops off, then 2 loops, then make chain 1, yarn over, chain 1, yarn over, take 3 loops off, then 2 loops off, chain 1, yarn over, go there, take 3 loops off, then 2, then chain 1, yarn over. So in the third chain I'm gonna make half crochet there. Okay, beautiful. Chain 3 always, yarn over, top of this. I'm gonna repeat that, half crochet. Okay, chain 1, top of this, half crochet, chain 1, top of this, half crochet, chain 1, So this is so easy. Half crochet, chain one, the top of this, half crochet, chain three, then turn, same process, yarn over in the first gap, then go straight there, take 3 loops off, then 2, then chain 1, yarn over, take 3 loops off, then 2 loops off, chain 1, yarn over. So I'm gonna continue like this, chain 1, chain 1, take 3 loops off, 2, take 3 loops off, then chain 1, take chain 1, then here half crochet at the end, chain 3. So again top of this half crochet, chain 1, chain 1, so continue like this, chain 3. So I'm gonna continue like this. I hope you love this pattern. It's so pretty. So viewers, I'm gonna stop. This pattern is small but it's pretty easy. These Toronto stitches are so easy. I hope you can make scarf, many things you can make this pattern. So I hope you will love this pattern. It's so cute. If you like it, please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for a nice compliment.